Hello everyone, welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Srishti and I'm here to bring you the fan perspective from the Badminton World Championship Day 4. So again, the morning was a bit slow, but this time the morning crowd was more than yesterday and day before. And obviously today there were all important games, and the first match was played by Trisha Jolly and Gayatri Gopichand. And at that particular point of time, the crowd was less, yes, but still the cheers were loud enough. And after that, again, Dhruv Kapila, Tanisha Krasto came in, and the crowd were going crazy behind them, shouting and cheering them up. Irrespective of the result, they got a lot of cheers. And also there was another match going on, and in that match the international players were receiving a lot of support as well. Chochu won that particular match, and after that she got a big round of applause from the crowd as well. Shen Yufei lost the match, yeah, but still, irrespective of that, she also got that particular applause from the crowd. And after that, there was the time when Ayush Shetty came in. Again, the crowd went crazy behind Ayush Shetty. Irrespective of the result, again, the crowd was very much cheerful towards Ayush Shetty. And even when Ayush Shetty lost his match, he did his gestures to the crowd even after losing the match. And again, today also the announcement was made when PV Sindhu was playing, that after the match PV Sindhu will come in a particular section, and she will come in and she will meet and greet the fans, and a long line was there as well. So yeah, that also happened, and she meted the fans as well. And in the morning we also saw, while Tressa Jolly and Gayatri Gopichand were playing, that Pulera Gopichand was also there. He was also giving some instructions to them and talking to them. So overall the day was not that good, not that bad. And why, I'm going to tell you that now. Satvik Chirag, aka the Smash Bros, people call them the Smash Bros, that's another name which is given to them by the fans. When they came in, they lost the first round. And again, when PV Sindhu lost, at that time only a lot of crowd left the ground, left the stadium, left the play area. And the moment like Satvik Chirag came in, yes, the crowd cheered, but it was visibly less crowd than earlier. Then after Satvik Chirag losing the first round, a certain section of people also left, and very few audience were left till the end of the game. And the moment Satvik and Chirag won the match, they did a good gesture in front of the crowd, some aggressive gestures which we saw. And it was mainly from Satvik's side. And during the play of Satvik and Chirag, we could also see that there was a kind of a battle between the Malaysian fans and the Indian fans, where like the Indian fans were cheering, Malaysian fans were cheering a bit more higher. When the Malaysian fans were cheering a bit more higher, at that time the Indian fans were cheering more higher. So a kind of battle was also going on. And the moment Satvik Chirag won the game, the aggressive celebration happened. And after the match got over, there was a light show kind of, with the badminton anthem playing behind. So like as a fan, the day maybe not that much good, because again, like PV Sindhu and Ayush Shetty lost their games. But irrespective of that, all the audiences enjoyed today's day a lot. So that is it from my side for today. For more such updates, news and latest news, keep watching Rev Sports. Thank you so much for watching.
For India's best multi-sports coverage, your platform is one, and that's Rev Sports. So like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I think by now you know that we will be everywhere in different parts of the world and bring you on-ground reportage. As I said, your best multi-sports coverage on Rev Sports, your favorite destination.